Hi everybody and welcome, this is Warfrog here with my first ever Airsoft video. I'm playing at Airsoft Kronoberg CQB Arena and it's the premier game. Today's game mode is capture the cones. There are 8 hidden cones all over the map and you have to retrieve these cones to your capture area. There are a designated area next to the spawns basically. My weapon of choice will be an ASG M9 that I got to borrow from my friend because my usual pistol, sadly, is a bit too strong for CQB areas. Now in the beginning here, my plan is just to get aggressive and get up and try to get the first kill and make sure that I push the enemy back a bit, make sure they can't advance. But sadly, in the end here, I get taken out by a guy hiding in the corner.
Akta huvudet lite där, för det är skottplugg. Fick du han eller? De är där. Håller du där så håller jag här du. Eller ska jag täcka över bron där eller? Ja.
My plan here is to hold the center bridge here and the tunnels going below it. You'll see me get a kill here. It's very hard to see the enemy player. I remember when I played, I was very lucky that I saw him. I saw a glimpse of light getting closed off and I got him. And now here, sadly also, an enemy player gets around on our flank and gets me, but my friend gets him back. So that's kind of nice.
Jag säger putta, så puttar vi två samtidigt. Träff! Snyggt. Jag tog det efter. Snyggt upp mannen. Träffar, kommer. Kom, putta upp. Jag har bröd på vänster. Tjena. Jag tar din vänster här inne då.
Me and my friend here, the guy on my left, are going to try and breach the room. I'm going to go straight forward. I'm going to try to pop some rounds on my right to make sure that it's clear for him. And then he's going to go up right in this room and try to push at the same time into the next room with me. So we can just keep advancing together.
Upp till höger. Jag håller snett här. Håller du den vinkeln? Ja. Kolla min vänster. Putt upp. Du gör så här. Pika ut. Och så säger de det okej. Och då puttar jag fram. Jag kommer.
Now here, as I just passed by a door opening, I see an enemy. Luckily I'm running with a pistol so I can just pop a few shots and I get him, which is a nice shot. And then in the next room where I come up, I see a guy's head. It's a small blob of him and I pop a couple shots. Sadly I do not get him. And then also I see his flashlight on my left here on the wall, so I know it's kind of not safe to pop out fully and try to get him again. So I try to go around him, try to get a flank on him. But sadly, an enemy player comes and stops me from doing that, and then eventually chases me and kills me.
Träff! Träffar kommer!
Me and my friend here are gonna go with the same tactics we did before when we breached this room. Me going straight ahead, and then my friend going to the right. Sadly, my friend gets taken out, but I get the guy that got him. Now, sadly here, my teammate thought that I was an enemy, so he killed me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the last small clip you got for you. Nothing really exciting. It's me and my friends getting into a room and then me getting killed by an enemy who I confused for being a friend, sadly. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. That would be awesome. Like and comment or dislike. But if you dislike, please comment on why you dislike this video. If you think it was bad quality, if you think it was bad editing, comment, because this is my first one and I need constructive criticism for my next one. But yeah, I'll see you guys some other time.